A high-stakes power struggle has been brought to the forefront following the explosive revelations surrounding the removal of Minne Baloyi. The report, detailed by ZVAITWA TV in their latest investigation titled Mnangagwa vs. Chiwenga, the real story behind Minne Baloyi's removal, highlights a critical fracture within the corridors of power. This development, centered on the tension between key political figures Mnangagwa and Chiwenga, marks a pivotal movement in the ongoing narrative surrounding Baloyi's abrupt exit from a position. Sabina mashoko branyi kupangana Mnangagwa vs. Chiwenga, the real story behind Minne Baloyi's removal. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. The circumstances leading to the removal of Minne Baloyi are rooted in the complex and often opaque power dynamics between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga. According to the reporting by ZVAITWA TV, this was not an isolated incident, but the culmination of mounting friction between these two influential figures. The background of this situation involves a series of strategic maneuvers that have left observers questioning the stability of the current political architecture. By examining the history of their interactions, the report suggests that Baloyi's removal serves as a barometer for the shifting influence within the upper echelons of the state, directly impacting the governance landscape of Zimbabwe. Analyzing the events presented by ZVAITWA TV reviews a deliberate struggle for control that extends beyond the immediate removal of one individual. The conflict between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga represents a fundamental clash of interest that dictates the direction of national policy. The removal of Minne Baloyi is interpreted as a tactical move, stripping away support networks and altering the balance of power. This analysis suggests that the event is a microcosm of a broader, more systemic challenge, where individual careers are frequently sacrificed in the pursuit of maintaining or consolidating authority within the regional political framework of Southern Africa. The real-world significance of this power struggle cannot be overstated, as it creates ripples that affect the stability of the entire Southern African region. As we look forward, the primary focus remains on the next moves by the key actors involved. The rivalry between Mnangagwa and Chiwenga will likely continue to dictate the political agenda, and observers are now watching for any further personnel changes that could indicate a consolidation of power by one side. The removal of Minne Baloyi is not the end of the story, but rather a chapter in an ongoing saga of political maneuvering. Future developments will be heavily scrutinized for signs of further escalation or attempts at reconciliation, as the nation awaits to see how the internal struggle will ultimately shape the future of its governance. Doma developments aripo tudze mafunguro enyu mutikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Enda comment section yedu za mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.